a star in tennis, but what made you decide to, shift gears and try pickleball?
Actually, biglaan lang siya kasi... Okay. Actually, biglaan lang siya, kasi I just heard pickleball from my friends and my mom. And I was still playing tennis at that time, before pandemic. And then, after pandemic, I tried playing tennis again. And, parang, I was thinking na kung go through ko ulit yung process of step by step as a tennis player. But feeling ko napapagod na ako. So, I was thinking to stop playing sports na. And then, ayun, may light bulb naman. So, yeah, I heard about pickleball. And then, I think that similar naman sa tennis, and then much smaller court and easier in movements. So, ayun, enjoy naman ako from the start and up till now, and less intense ako sa court compared to tennis. And I enjoy meeting new people and different kinds of places and clubs.
Well, it's so nice to hear it had that, positive effect on you. It may be scary to try something new at first, but again, you mentioned it earlier, there's a lot of growth, like in the sport, in this opportunity, and you have your mom to thank for that. Did you play pickleball as well?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so really that's the influence of the family and friends, maybe even your daughter Athena.
Future.
In the future. Future champ. Let's claim it. Now, speaking of future champs, I'm sure a lot of girls, want to be like you. It's Women's Month. What advice would you give to athletes who are starting out, maybe also transitioning from other sports and coming into pickleball? What's your advice?
For me, just enjoy and just be confident in yourself and be an inspiration to all the people. And always pray to God and ask for guidance in every match and all the travels and journey.
Yes, and that's why you have all of your, championship moments right here with your medals. But let's get into the paddle itself. Can you tell us more about what you like about your signature paddle? How cool is it to have, an ACP Aries paddle, your signature?
For me talaga, it's parang meant to be talaga. Kasi I've been looking for the right paddle and yung durability, yung control, and with the power.
Yes.
And yun talaga yung parang match talaga kami.
Ganda ng thinking ko.
Ayun.
Kasi I didn't play for
I also heard that you are also very known for like smashing paddles because sobrang lakas ka ng mga hits mo, but like apparently with this paddle, wala bang nasira.
Wala na.
Okay.
Okay, na matibay.
Proven na matibay. I love it. Now, if you would look here, I think we're showing some of the features, that we have of the paddle. So if you guys want to learn more about it, you can just refer to our little video right here at the back. But what does it mean to you to, have a signature paddle with your name on it? Yeah.
I just want to add, I really want to give credit to Clarice for the design. So one of the things that she was very instrumental with is the look of the paddle. Hindi lang pang performance, pa forma. No, the ACP logo, which she designed herself, and the colors, we really designed the paddle around her branding, her design. So the colors, if you can see, are really based on the colors of the ACP logo. So we felt it was a perfect fit for the design of the paddle, and it really puts her mark, her signature, not just on the performance and the play of the paddle, but on the look and the design also.
I love it. I mean, will we all be champions too if we have this paddle? And later on, you guys will get a chance to have it signed by Clarice herself. But yeah, Clarice, maybe we can also use this time to ask who or what inspires you to achieve, all of these great things on the court? What's your inspiration?
Siyempre, yung daughter ko, every time nasa game ako, nasa court ko, music ko, para to sa'yo. And
Iyak ka. She's downstairs busy. Busy walking around.
Clarice, go mama.
sabi ko, hindi ako iyak.
Kaya mo yan.
Ayun, and syempre for my family then, ito yung inihintay nila. Parang, yung inaantay nila na mangyari sa games. And yeah, syempre, thank you din sa lahat for supporting me. And alam ko talaga, kung sino yung nagsusupport sa akin through my journey. And thank you talaga sa lahat. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako mananalo kung wala kayo sa journey.
A warm round of applause for Clarice Patrimonio, a woman of strength, really, and thank you for sharing your journey with us. So let's use this moment for a quick photo opportunity with the loved ones of Clarice, those who helped her in her amazing journey. Maybe let's start off with her family. So if you can please join us here in front for a quick photo. Maybe even Athena, if she could. Busy playing now. Right, mother and daughter moment right here. Awesome.
Kasi ako may zoom ako. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2,
Yay! Congratulations, Clarice, and one more photo with everybody involved. Maybe her family and friends, you guys can join as well as we celebrate this special moment for Clarice at Toby Sports. Again, the family and friends of Clarice, please join her here in front for a quick photo. And then after this, we're going to go ahead with our paddle signing, courtesy of Clarice.
okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Alright, congratulations again, Clarice Patrimonio and Toby Sports for this special collaboration. We're going to now have the panel signing, but with Clarice.